Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn mathematical sentences. This is the chapter 1 for class 10 groups, and the lesson 1 for the chapter 1 is mathematical sentences. What do you know about the mathematical sentences? Before going to the definition of mathematical sentences, we just revise or review few mathematical sentences and just read it and observe it. What are the difference between the sentences? These are the verbal sentences which are going to change into mathematical form. The sum of 9 and 8 is 17. 9 plus 8 is equals to 17. 110 more than 1025 is 1135. Now in mathematical form, 110 plus 1025 is equals to 1135. The sum of 9 and a number is 11. The sum of 9 and a number, the number is unknown. So for unknown number, we are using here x. X plus 9 is equals to 11. Let's see the second examples. 7 less than a number is 24. X minus 7 is equals to 24. Now you can express in mathematical form, or you can use any alphabet, any shape before instead of X if you want to use any symbol. 3 times a number decreased by 11 gives 35. 3 times a number, 3 multiplied by x, decreased by means minus by 11, 3x minus 11 gives 35 equals to 35. Now you can translate easily each verbal phrases into mathematical sentence. And now, what are the difference between these sentences? What do you notice here? Now, go back to your number 1 statement or sentence. The sum of 9 and 8 is 17. 110 more than 1025 is 1135. Now, if we observe the sentences, so what we find, the sum of 9 and 8 is 17. 110 more than 1025 is 1135. The sum of 9 and a number is 11. What are the difference between these sentences? Now, in above two sentences, only the numbers are given, but in the last sentences, the number which is unknown, and we are using x for this symbol, or sorry, this unknown number. So 5 more than twice a number is 44. So mathematical sentences, if you observe these sentences, so you find that this is the proper idea. You can understand what you want to say and what we want to say to you. So a mathematical sentence must state a fact or contain a complete idea and divide it into, and now in mathematical sentences is also further divided into two types: open sentences and closed sentences. Now, what are the open sentences? First, the closed sentences. A sentence that can be judged to be true or false. Now you can observe and you can revise and recall your memory. The first two sentences, a sentence that can be judged to be true or false, does not contain a variable. For example, 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. Now we can easily observe 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. This is a true sentence. 9 is greater than 6. This is also a true sentence. We can easily judge the sentence is true or false. 12 plus 5 is equals to 7. 12 plus 5 is equals to 7. No, this will be 17. So we can easily justify the sentence is false. Now examples of closed sentences. Now you can learn more, you can learn by observing the more example. Now, true sentences, true closed sentences in mathematics. 9 is an odd number. Yes, 9 is an odd number. 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. Yes, this is a true sentence. 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. This is also true sentence. 6 minus 6 equals to 0. The square root of 4 is 2. These are all true sentences and also closed sentences because we can justify, we can judge the sentence is true or false, and the closed sentence which can be easily judged the sentence is true or false. If you notice, all these sentences are true because we know they are true by the answer. They are closed sentences. Let's look at the some examples of false closed sentences in mathematics. For example, 9 is an even number. No, 9 is an odd number. 4 plus 4 is equals to 5. No, 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. These are all the examples of false sentences, and these are the closed sentences because they do not contain a variable, and we can easily observe and we can easily say the sentence is false because the answer, by observing the answer we can easily judge. Okay, so closed sentences which can easily be judged by the answer, or we can just easily identify the sentence is true or false, and the sentence does not contain any variable, any unknown number. So what are the open sentences? Open sentences are mathematical statement that contain one or more variables. A mathematical statement that contains one or more variables. Variable means the number which is unknown. The value can be changed. An open sentence is neither true nor false until the variable or variables replaced by specified values. Examples of open sentences. We get open sentences when we use variables in mathematical sentence. The obtuse angle is n degree. We don't know what is the exact value of n, and we know the obtuse angle is greater than 90 and less than 180, but the value of n is unknown. X plus y is equals to 5. What are the number x plus y which can the sentence equals true, equals to 5? 3 plus 2 5, 8 minus 3 5. We don't know the exact value. Which value can be made the sentence true, or which values can be made the sentence false. So we cannot decide it. 4 minus 3x is equals to 12. The x is a known number. 5 plus y is equals to x. X and y both are the variables. Now these are the example. 3x plus 5 is equals to 4. 2x minus y is equals to 24. Now let's move. This is a flow chart. You can easily identify or easily differentiate the closed sentences and open sentences. If the sentence is closed, so we can easily judge the sentence is true or false. Does not contain a variable by observing the number. 5 plus 4 is greater than 9. 3 minus 7 is equals to 4. Now open sentences which contain a variable, and we cannot decide the sentence is true or false, but we can further categorize the open sentences in two forms: equation and inequality. Equation, the name is by the name we can easily understand. The equals to sign is given between the two expressions. 3x minus 5 is equals to 7. 2z plus 7 is greater than 3. Inequality means the less than, greater than, less than and equals to, greater than and equals to sign are involved in the inequality sentences, and they contain a variable, must contain a variable. At least they contain a variable and more variable. Okay. Now let's see more example. These are the examples. Classify equation. Is the equation true, false, or open? Explain. Now these are the few examples. 3y plus 6 is equals to 5y minus 8. Y is given, which is unknown. Open because there is a variable. 16 minus 7 is equals to 4 plus 5. True because both the sides are equals to 9. 32 divided by 8 is equals to 4 and 2 threes are 6, which is not equal, so the sentence is false. These are the few examples which you can easily define. The first sentence is open sentence. The second one is closed sentence, but it is two sentence. And the third one is false closed sentence because there is no variable is used. Now let's move. Thank you so much. Now you can solve your exercise by giving the attached assessment or quiz. And second lesson, we will find the solution of the equations. How can we solve a linear equation step by step? Thank you so much.